Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a couple of tips and updates to give you for my course. As you know, I have a free course for Pinterest ads. It's a 4-day challenge. So you can go and sign up. I will put the link below. The course is updated. And on the course, during the 4 days, you will learn how many different campaigns that we have and we use on Pinterest, how to start, from where to start, a couple of algorithm secrets. And also, you can have a plan or have a funnel, a sales funnel correctly when you setting up your Pinterest ads, because that way you wouldn't lose money. Because remember that if you don't know how to create a Pinterest ad, you might lose money. And also I give you a lot of tips inside the course on how to use different kind of budgets. So from where to start, if you just started, and where how much you have to spend at the beginning and how much you need to spend. And remember also performances is very important, and also the algorithm. So we need to do things that favors the algorithm. It's a 4-day course and it's for bloggers, it's for Shopify owners, is for people working on social media agencies or the virtual assistants. It's also for business owners, so you need to learn how to increase your email list and also to convert more sales. And also don't forget, guys, Pinterest ads, they're different from Facebook ads and Twitter ads, because it's easier for us to have a plan to get more sales and more conversions. And that's it. You can go sign up. I'll put the link below. It's free. And also I have a post, my letter post, about Pinterest promoter pins, a couple of secrets that I share with you on how to start having a marketing plan, and also how to get a Pinterest marketing strategy in order to get more conversions, because what you need is to convert and get the sales. And don't forget your budget, the cost. I have a couple of results from sales, and I'll put it over the post for you to see. And also we get a small paragraph about how to increase conversions of Pinterest. You can go and read it through because it's very, very useful. But don't forget to sign up for the 4-day challenge. It's updated because, things on Pinterest change. And inside the course, as I say, I share secrets with you when it comes to keywords. And also you have a plan on, where you are right now and how, to get what you want. And again, you need to have a strategy and you need to have a plan. So this is something that I say, I share in my course with my students, and also as a Pinterest expert that I manage other people's accounts. You need to, have a plan, and then, learn to grow your account on autopilot. But also you need to make sure that you get the sales, so you get the click, and also you need to learn the secrets of algorithm. No matter what, there are secrets on Pinterest that you have to learn in order to grow. So it's simple as that. So that's it. I thought I should update you on that one. And don't forget to sign up for the course. Connect with me on the social media. If you have any questions, leave your comments below, or send me a message on Twitter, on Pinterest, or Instagram, have fun, and also, make sure that you grow your Pinterest account and get a lot of sales for your shop. But you get one step first, and then the second step, and then what I mean, like growing sustainable, getting sustainable income, growing sustainable income. So don't just just start from nowhere, and then say you're making 1,000, then maybe you don't make 500, and then you go 4,000, and then what I mean. So make sure you get a sustainable income. That is your main goal. So make sure you get the traffic you want, not the traffic that you don't want. You want people to click on your pins. You want people to buy from you, rather than people just to come over to your profile and then just follow you, and they're not interested in what you're selling. So that's it for me today, and thank you very much for your likes. Make sure to leave your comments below, as I said before. Subscribe to my channel, and I wish you well.